Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. I am in my messy garage today working on my 67 Falcon. I just pulled the engine out and I'm going to be replacing it with a 302. And while I'm waiting for parts, I'm going to do some little things to the car. Today I'm going to see if I can clean off the rust of my master cylinder using Eastwood Fast Etch. You spray it on, let it soak, and then you clean it off with acetone, and it leaves a zinc phosphate coating that prevents rust. So it's going to remove the rust and then prevent it from coming back. I'm going to put some in a spray bottle, spray it on there, keep it wet for I think it's a half hour. I'll have to look at the directions, and then clean it off. Let's get to work. I'm going to take some plastic and drape it all around this area. I was working on my wipers a few minutes ago, and I gotta finalize that wire job later. But as I was starting to say, I want to plastic this off so it doesn't drip all over everything below it. I'm gonna find something to do that with. That should be good enough. Get my spray bottle, spray this on there. You just have to keep it wet for half an hour. Okay, I'll just give her a spritz every few minutes, clean it off, and hope for the best. All right, it's been 5 minutes. You can see it's already taken some rust off of there. I'm going to spray her down again. And then come back in another 5 minutes and hit it again. Exciting, isn't it? Another 5 minutes are up. Definitely doing some good. Here we go again. You can kind of see it reacting with the galvanized steel on top of here. I'm just going to let it go, let it react, let it put that zinc phosphate coating on that as well. I was just reading the directions on this Fast Etch. It says to keep the treated area moist with Fast Etch. Do not allow it to dry for at least 30 minutes until the surface is as uniform gray. Well, see the label's tore off, so I got to make up some words here. 30 minutes until the surface is a uniform gray appearance. If bubbles appear, smooth them out with a brush. Avoid wasteful runoff. Turn my alarm off here. Yeah. Okay. Wipe the still wet painter's this stuff. Wipe the still wet with pre-painting prep or acetone to remove excess fast etch. Treated surface will be coated with a zinc phosphate. Prime the surface before painting. It says excess fast etch should be removed from painted or chrome plated surfaces with a mild detergent and water as soon as possible to prevent discoloration. Wipe dry. It says this is reusable. All right. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes because it's been a half hour right now. But it says at least a half hour. So I'm going to give her one more spritz down here. Let that soak in. And then I'll clean it off. But it's looking a lot better. Wonder if I get a brush, if I could brush those streaks out of there. Guess that's worth a try, isn't it? I got a little grass brush here. I can't see what I'm doing. You guys have to tell me if I'm making it worse or better. I can't hear you. Just speak up. Oh, look. That looks okay. It's okay. Okay, guys, how's it looking? Rinse my brush out here. Yeah, better. I'll see what it looks like when it's done. It's been close to 45 minutes. I'm going to take acetone and hose that down. This is supposed to neutralize what's left. Then it says to wipe it off, wipe it dry. Let me get a paper towel. But I'm saying that this looks a heck of a lot better than it did. Maybe the thumbnail of the video will be a good comparison. More acetone. Wipe her down. And I'm calling this little tiny project done. It looks like it worked. Looks a heck of a lot better than it did. So thank you for watching Dan's Messy Garage, of me removing rust from a master cylinder. Please stay tuned to my channel for other videos, tips, and tricks. Bye.